There's good news for graphics professionals. The 32-core and 64-thread Ryzen Threadripper 2990WX chip introduced in June is now available for pre-order. The second-generation chip is built using AMD's 12nm Zen Plus core architecture, and works with existing X399 AMD motherboards. The company said it aims primarily at creators, developers and PC enthusiasts who use software applications such as the Adobe Creative Cloud suite that can benefit from multi-threaded CPUs. The Threadripper 2990WX set the world record for the Cinebench multi-threaded CPU test for the single-socket desktop CPU category with a score of 7,618, boasted AMD. However, that was achieved by cooling the chip with nitrogen and pressing the clock speed up to 5.1 GHz, so you probably will not get the same results at home. The base 3.0 GHz 2990WX chip, however, supports speeds of 4.2 GHz in the boost mode, which should only require a modest system cooled by air or liquid. AMD also introduced three other Ryzen Threadripper second-generation chips: the 24-core Ryzen Threadripper for $1,299 2970WX, the $899 2950X with 16 cores and the $649 for 12 cores Threadripper 2920X.